What is up, YouTube? I'm Tyler and this is Taz Outdoors. Today's video, we are actually on the Royal Princess Alaskan cruise and we are docked in Juneau, and I decided to go do a little DIY fishing and see if I can hook on something because I didn't want to pay to do one of the excursions. So if you're looking to do something like this, I'll definitely have a couple spots in this video for you, but I hope you enjoy the video. All right, so the first spot I checked out was the rental car place right next to the cruise ship. So I started casting out here because I saw a nice school of Dolly Varden. So I figured I would give it a shot. So I'm casting a little drop shot with a little baby fluke on top. And these things were getting bit left and right.
There's a better one.
There's one of my first ones. Decent little Dolly Varden, but really beautiful fish, super fun to catch.
See you, little buddy.
So this spot, I was getting consistently bit just off the drop off, but not a ton of size. A lot of Dolly Varden around, and it was a lot of fun if you're just trying to get bit. And other than that, it was just mostly small fish. I did see a halibut and a decent king swim by, but for the most part, I was just catching little dudes and one like the one before. Solid ones.
Little guy.
This next one I got a little farther out, and I'm just kind of letting it sink and giving it big pops. Most of the bites are going to come on the sink here, and I get a nice bite from a absolute pipsqueak of a little Dolly Varden. Cute little guy. That just took him off real quick, threw him back. Always stoked just to catch any fish, especially in an area I've never been. Take them off, release real quick. Alright, and I noticed the current was starting to go left to right, so I started casting down current, drifting it a little bit, and I was able to get a few more decent hits doing this out in the deeper area off the drop off. Good little pops, and sometimes you just got lucky and got hit on the retrieve like I do here. So I'm just giving it a nice medium retrieve with stops every now and then, some twitches, and eventually you get bit. Boom. This is a nicer dolly right here. Get them off for a quick release so that I can move spots. So we grabbed a rental car, loaded it up, and we're gonna head up the coast and see if we could find any areas with maybe some salmon or just more fish in general. Once we loaded up the car, we headed out to a new spot called Lena Cove. This cove was crystal clear water with salmon jumping out there. I was throwing drop shot and spoon here as well, but we were not able to connect with any of these salmon. They were definitely chum salmon out there, and anyone that was on a boat or a kayak seemed to get bit. We just couldn't reach. The water was crystal clear though, and the potential was there to definitely get bit. Definitely want to go back, try it out maybe with the spear gun or with a little heavier spoon to get out in the middle here. After a couple hours at this spot, we started heading back towards the town. We wanted to load up and hit another spot closer to the dock so that we were able to load up quick. We ended up at the Juno hatchery, and there was a public fishing dock just below it, which is where you go if you pay for an excursion to shorefish. So we just did it for free, headed down this dock, and tried to catch some fish here.
Salmon right there. Right there. See them hitting? Huh? They're hitting the surface over here. Watch out. They're like... Oh. Thanks or what? Yeah, but they weren't like tiny. There was... They weren't tiny. They're bigger than what Kapua caught. Probably like the size of the one I got. Oh, that was actually... Come on, dude. I got slammed.
Nice.
There we go. That's about the size. Nice. Little pinky.
So this spot was loaded with Dolly Varden. You can see them busting on bait on the surface.
Yeah, there was good little
we were casting small spoons. I stuck with the drop shot and the little swim bait combo, and we were just able to put a hurting on them. It was a ton of fun.
I think I hammered him.
Ooh, number 2. Another little guy. Let's try it again, same spot.
Nice.
It's all about the retrieve. Come here, buddy. This one's a downgrade. It's a keeper right there, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh, sorry, little dude. Bye.
This next catch was a surprise and a little bit of sight fishing. If you have any idea what this guy is, please leave a comment down below because I could not figure it out and it was pretty ugly.
Eat it. Yeah, eat it. It's not a salmon. No. I don't know what it is.
That's what I think. I think it's Cove.
Nice. Yeah. Yeah. What the freak? That's cool. They're like in the middle normally. Yeah. He's a little better than the last one. Still small, but.
So the action here at this spot was really consistent. You keep casting up towards the shore and eventually a school of dollies swim by and you're pretty much guaranteed to hook 1 or 2 in a row. I had a few where I got 3 in a row, but just quick medium retrieves with some pops, and these guys were aggressive and really fun to catch. So we got done after a few hours. Probably had 12 to 15 fish. Here's Powell's fish.
Oh,
We
it's
got a
here.
nice dolly. And then we loaded it back up onto the cruise ship to eat some dinner. And then we headed out to our next port. All right, I caught a ton of fish, a lot of Dolly Varden, and I did see a couple guys get some salmon, but I wasn't lucky enough. Still a little early in the year. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I helped you out at least a little bit. Please like and subscribe.